What's up guys, I'm Nomadikh. Today we're at the 10th and last episode of the Sampling Music video series. Today we're going to be doing country music. Now the last episode we did gospel music, check that one out if you haven't seen it yet, but today we're going to be doing country music. So country music is a style of music that emerged in Southern America around the 1920s. In this genre you're going to have a lot of instruments like guitars, harmonicas, banjos, mostly string instruments. Just like the other episodes in this series, country music isn't really a style of music that I normally gravitate to. But knowing that it's got guitars and other string elements in it, seems like it'd be a good genre to sample, it's at least worth a try. So today, we're going to be doing country, and let's get it. Alright, I'm on Discogs.com. Hopefully this isn't the first video you're watching in the series, but as I say in every video, check out my full tutorial if you want to learn how to do this. But we're going to go to Explore, we're going to go to Explore All, we're going to go to Genre, we're going to click All, and then we're going to pick Folk, World, and Country. We're going to pick 1970. Let's do Thailand. I'm going to try and find something interesting. I'm already interested in this one. I have no idea what this is. That's funky. Not hearing anything there. Ooh. Yeah, I love this one. This sounds like has like a Kill Bill kind of sound to it. So I really like this one. Even the colors kind of remind me of that too. But anyways, thumbs up if you agree this is a dope sample, and let's get down to business. Alright, I'm in Ableton Live. I got the sample pulled up here, so let's get down to business. Let's chop this thing up. Oof, those vocals are crazy. That would make a really good loop, so I'm gonna loop it. I think I want this section to be another one. Was like a bridge or something. I need a section that doesn't have the vocals in it. Alright, so I got the loop down from the beginning. I'm just gonna keep it that way, and let's do the drums now. Let's start with the hi-hats. So now I'm gonna add a chop break. And I'm gonna add a kick. Now let's add the bass. Probably weirdest beat I ever made in my life, but you know what? It is what it is. Country or not, I don't know. But yeah, whatever. That's what I got. Alright guys, that's the beat. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. And of course, as I said, this is the last episode of the series. So if you really enjoyed watching these videos, please let me know, because I have no problem making more of these. I enjoyed making them. If you guys enjoyed watching them, I have no problem making more. So let me know. Leave a comment down below, and I'll see you later.